What up, good people? Today we're about to install some LED footlights in the Elantra. So yeah, man, let's get into this video. ArtOfSpeedd. His name's first. You get these from like your local AutoZone. So your black wire is always the ground, and your black and white wire is always your positive. The reason I know that is I basically tested on a 9-volt battery. I did the negative with the black one and the positive with the black and white one, and the lights came on. So we got to run these wires through here to the other side. In this scene here, you're gonna unscrew the bolt from the trim piece. I ran my wires to the passenger side. So I stick my hand through there, through the back of there. So I unscrewed this bolt. It's like a rivet, so you unscrew it and then you pop it out. Once you pop it out, you can get a little bit of flexibility. Let me show you how that works. So I pop that out, and so it's not really that far. So I put the wire through it, and I fed the wire through from the driver's side to the passenger side. As you can see, that's how it was. I took that screw out. So I hooked my ground wire up. I unscrewed that bolt right there. Ran this one. I ran the LED strip. And then my positive wire, I hooked up to my multifunction meter fuse. Hooked that up.